Hello friends, welcome once again. Rohit Gaikwad this side, your real estate consultant, co-speaker and published author. This is a part 8 for our real estate lead generation series, and in this video I am covering the Facebook groups. You might already dealing with the Facebook groups, you might getting leads, but for the beginners, this is the good platform where they can generate organic leads for free without any investment. As you know, let's begin practically. So many of you know that Facebook account is free, and you can get registered it using your mobile number and email ID. Here I am using Abhijit's this thing, uh, email ID and password, in short access, to show make this tutorial. After login you will get one tab. You can click on this tab and you can directly go to uh, more option, and you will get a groups option, groups here. Otherwise, on your wall or dashboard it will be on left side, but some people might get confused because it is the not fixed one. So you can get these groups, so you can create your own group. I have covered all the process step by step things in my real estate leads mastery book, and this lead generation series is from this book only. uh, in this book you will get 100 plus real estate strategies which is not even used by the 98% of real estate professionals, and it's easy guide. You will get this book inside the success box, and success box is you can order your success box copy from our official store rohitgaikod.com slash store. So I'll dive in into one of the real estate groups. Let's say it's South Indian visa real estate groups. So if you will get hundreds of thousands of real estate groups as per the city, as per the locality, particular locality. So this is the admin. You can, if you want to pin a post, this is the pin post announcement, so everyone getting into it will see this post first, and then only other posts. So I have advertisement real estate leads mastery book in this group. So let's here you can filter. I'll show you how. Here you can filter new activity and top post. Top post you will get older post, new activity you will get a recent post only. So let's start posting. For your knowledge, I am just showing you the demo or interface of this group. So it might be a different for different devices. You might be accessing it from tablet or mobile, you will get a different interface. So from my Windows PC I am showing or recording this video. So you have to click on sell something, and you need to mention the property title, as we already posted a few properties in the free classified portals. So you have to mention 3 BHK, for example, or demo purpose I am showing this, uh, or it's a virtual title or imaginary title, 3 BHK at Visa, as we are posting into a property portal, Visa for sale. Let's say price is 1 crore rupee or 90 lakh rupee. It's a tier 2 city, so we can mention 70 lakh rupee, 70,000, 7 lakhs, 70 lakhs, and the location is Visa, or we can say Vishaka, Visa city. Okay, here I need to mention the we can say the description, like covered area, We can say pricing here you put plus here also you can bifurcate that, like your basic price plus you can say what we say taxes and all, like your brokerage or might be aware or be careful while posting, because few groups do not allow the broker to post or charge brokerage. In that case you can take it from builder side or property owner side, and you can waive your brokerage or give a zero brokerage facility to these group customers or clients. Here you need to mention the amenity specification description, and you have to add a property photo. For example, I am adding here one property photo, and we have to post it on next button here only. Next, now group will allow you next. Okay, so it will asking us to select audience. If you are having multiple groups for a similar locality like real estate, see we can post maximum 20 groups at a time. So this is the beneficial facility or service by the Facebook groups, where you can reach lakhs and millions of people within a single click. Other property portals or other classified portals doesn't have this facility, so you can choose your target audience. It's a custom audience only, you are choosing the target audience. Facebook don't showing doesn't showing your ad to multiple localities. You can choose the relevant locality and go ahead. I wanted to publish it with a group only, or I can see I can post it here. I can go with the South Indian groups, basically Hyderabad and all. Hyderabad, so let it be a visa. So I don't want it to spam the group. That's why I am posting it in a one group only. One, when I select two groups, here you will get two groups. So I would like to go ahead and publish it in one group only, publish. So the benefit of groups, your post will get verified, and sometimes see as it been submitted and pending for approval. Once you get approved from the admin or the authority, you will your listing will be uh, showcased here in this uh, we can say a timeline. So you can check the group details. This is the public group, which means you can post or sell anything. Private groups, mostly people, the authority or admin people reserve the right, and they have some rules and regulation. Public groups you can easily go with the postings. So I would like to check the members of these groups. See, Vizag, we have 28,354 people. In this way you can go with uh, thousands or in lakhs of people within a single click. So this is about the Facebook groups. Once anyone comment, once your listing get approved by the admin, if people commented, you will get a notification like similar one here only. So you can reply them, send details, take follow-ups, reminders, and close your deals. So this is enough for the Facebook groups. If you wanted to make a Facebook groups, just go with the steps I have mentioned in my book. You can buy that success box from our website rohitgaiko.com/store. So this is sufficient. Thank you once again, Rohit Gaikwad, real estate consultant, co-speaker, and published author. Bye bye.